always been really interested in the human body and just biology in general, like ever since I was a child. So I'm on the pre-med track, and biology was just definitely what I wanted to go with for med school. I had heard about the field station in my ecology class from Dr. Freestone, who came in and presented the internship, and after that I was really interested in everything that was happening with this, and I wanted to be a part of it. The major project that we are doing in TFO has been a woody census as well as doing herbaceous survey. The goal of the herbaceous survey is to see what new plants are coming in and the percentages of each. We are also tagging the woody seedlings to see what trees are going to be coming back. My personal project is looking at the species diversity of non-native woody plants and how it has changed from before the storm to the year after the storm to now. And the goal of this project is to see if any non-native species have had a major comeback because of the storm. The benefit of this hands-on research is being able to tie what I'm learning in my classes on main campus to the field. So I'm actually able to see stuff I learned in a textbook and apply it to what I'm doing out here. The benefit of being on the Ambler campus is definitely being surrounded by nature. Like on main campus, you're pretty much surrounded by buildings. Being here, you can like chill in a garden, you can be able to go out in the forest, just have a different scenery.